What were we doing 4 weeks ago today during a blizzard?
Buying a house?
Buying a house. So literally 4 weeks, it was a Wednesday.
It was.
We're back here working on the house in a blizzard.
Are we really working?
Troubleshooting? Does that count as work? I'll tell you what I do at work is not work, so we're gonna do some cool stuff today, like figuring out where wires go to what, and patching these holes here, bloop, bloop, and such.
Mm-hmm. Yep, let's finish it up.
Are you like really excited to be here?
I'm excited not to be at work.
Oh, that's like the best.
Yeah.
That's the best.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, here we go.
All right.
So I'm about to cut out some holes to replace these using some extra drywall that we had. So gonna start cutting out those plugs. Holy cow, when I got here about 30 minutes ago, there was no snow on the ground. Oh, welcome to Colorado. This is April, mid-April. Exactly 4 weeks from the day we closed with a blizzard. This is what we're dealing with today. What's happening, Patrick?
This kind of junk. It's awful! Don't know what I'm doing! Frickin' switch didn't work. Look at this junk, man. I think they put everything possible on a three-way switch. I think if they could have, they would have put the toilet on a three-way switch.
Hey, don't forget to wash your hands and flick the switch.
Yeah, both switches.
Plug, hole, too big.
There we go. Hey, just a quick, illustration of stupid electrical work. Okay, so we're at the front door. We've got two switches, okay? I know what this switch does, because I think it turns off this light and the light way over there, right? Wherever, I can't point. You know what I'm doing. There, okay. So that switch does that one. Okay, and then this switch, what's that noise? Oh, it's an outlet on the freaking ceiling! Because that makes total sense.
Okay, take two on the plug. Shaved a little bit off. Darn. Oh. I did measure. Not good enough. This one's gonna work. I'm not doing this hourly. Hey! Yeah! Finally!
Man, it's only the next day.
All right. What day? Friday. This is my hometown.
Hey, it's sunny and snowing.
Yeah. Some snow.
We're gonna share. We're gonna ladder share.
Yeah. No! Give me back my hometown, 'cause this is my hometown. Oh, oh, oh. Ah, ooh. We have 2 plugs. We have 4 plugs. We are looking for things again. Here we go. Is this it? Hey, found something. We're on a treasure hunt.
Nope. What's happening now? We'll go hit the light switch. We got lights.
Which one?
Over here.
The one you've been working on?
Yeah.
Here is the light switch.
Puts that back.
Yay! Good job, bud.
Now I just gotta figure out what to do with this light and that light.
You're doing it though.
We're doing something.
We got the light squares mudded in. So we gotta texture them still, but then we also have the plugs there. Got those mudded in as well. Also got this hole in the hallway framed in. We will put drywall over that. This will be a closed off bathroom. I also got a doorway framed in over here. So it's all squared away for a door in the bathroom.
All right, Blizzard 2.0.
Oh man, we gotta drive home in some craziness.
Yeah.
You have a lot
That's
of
okay. I'll be careful.
Well, we got some really cool stuff done today, and guess what? I have a pocket full of screws, so that's good.
Yep.
We finished off the, here, I'll let you look real quick here.
We drywall.
The drywall in the ceiling, and
We have switches at work.
Patrick is saving us a lot of money by doing some really awesome electrical snoopery.
To have an electrician figure this out would be money well spent. But
If you have some money you want to send our way, man.
we'll name a light fixture after
Yeah. We'll put one of those stones, like a brick. We'll make one of the, we'll put a brick, put your name on a brick.
somewhere on the property.
Yeah. Anyway, blizzard day, got some work done.
Yep.
We'll hopefully have a few more weather days coming up and
Yeah.
make some more progress.
Maybe tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm excited.
This was an unexpected day to hang out.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
it's fun.
yeah, yeah.
Peace.
Peace. I need a step stool so I don't look tiny.
Yeah, I wanted to be like you. I
don't know if you want to be like me.
You know what? These are like you.
Okay.